Last time on Fex Jarida.
Bro. Hey, try again.
Last time on Fex Jared.
Nah, bro, try again.
Last time on this fucking YouTube channel.
Man, who the fuck? Oh, hey, man. Come replace this nigga.
Hey, this is part 7, but this 20-second recap is from part 6.
Yeah, I'm really stepping on shit, but my shoes ain't got no crease. In a two-seater, we slide 4 deep. Open the bird, make a play, ain't get no sleep. You might hit me with a lamb like I'm
Get into boost. And I have a check engine light. Holy shit. Okay.
Now, I done some dumb shit in my life, but this car is definitely number one.
Green line. So I just closed the trade at $1,022. Pretty much after I ended the video.
Yo, good morning. It's Tuesday. Yay. Labor Day, or whatever holiday it is, making the market slow. Yesterday, we didn't take our real trade, which was unfortunate because that was like $1,100 trade with like 350 risk, 300 risk. I ended up missing that trade and then ended up taking a small trade on a push-pullback continuation to the upside for a 150 day just to make the trading day, and that's basically $600 before 4 accounts combined. So today hopefully it's a little different day, even though the markets will be a little slower because it is a holiday. So let me show you. As of right now, this is the 4-hour time frame. We're just working with one line, really. We're just working with one line at the moment, and honestly, this is really it. This is all I got right now. So alright, I am in the trade now. Mind you, it did close above, so I'm looking for a potential continuation upside. It's definitely hard seeing this, like taking this, but it created enough data. Hopefully it doesn't want to go down anymore and just create data down there. Hopefully it just ends up going up now. Wide enough stop loss, 750 or 736, but 750 realistically. So I'm just gonna adjust that really. Hopefully it has a continuation to the upside because this is painful to watch for sure. So it's a trickier day than normal, but let's see what price does. Market update. So the chart is chilling at the moment. It's not really doing too much. It's definitely reacted here, but I'm looking for bullish momentum now. It's not doing anything crazy, but I'm just waiting on something like bullish, really good bullish momentum, and just waiting for that to happen, you know. So I'm waiting for the real trade to play out, and hopefully the real trade is the buy. I know it's going to cause some issues here, but I'm hoping it just blows through zone with some good data and we can look for a continuation upside. So now I'm gonna change this to here because this is a bigger zone than what I had it at. So I'm putting the stop loss at 160 for the trading day to be, you know, locked in, hopefully. And this is why I'm doing it, because it's like it's still got a long way to go, and I'm hoping it just doesn't do whatever, because I know it's going to react a certain way up here, and it's coming back now, and I don't like that. But you know, it's 100. You serious? Oh my god. I already knew it was gonna tap that, but price could do whatever at this point. Let's just see what price does in the next hour, and then I'm probably going to end it off today because that's a trading day, technically speaking. It's just not the profit I want. So we'll see what the next hour does, because if that's a wick up going downwards, that's an easy sell, but that's a very crazy, it's going to be a crazy day if that is a sell-off though. This is probably going to end off for today. I'm pretty sure it's going to be. It's unfortunately not the day I want. 160 to break even. I'll see you whenever. Yo, good morning. It is now Wednesday. So far we only hit the minimum trading days for the day. Monday, understandable, but I did end up missing the trade. Tuesday, ended up hitting break even and ended up flying to take profit after that. Today is Wednesday. Hopefully we have a different story of hitting take profit max today. If we can get the P&L and or the balance above $2,000, that'd be ideal. So let's see what we got today. because it's going and it's approaching to all-time highs again. Yay. As of right now, this is the only line I have here at the moment. I do have to find something along the lines over here. This is the 4-hour time frame per usual. So I think we're going to rock top and bottom. So if price closes below, we'll sell because price tapped it multiple times. If it closes below around 10 o'clock, we will sell. But if it closes above, easy buys, my friend. So I'm in a trade. I got a bad entry because I hesitated a little bit too much, but main zone, main zone, main zone. Price end up using possibly this zone to go downwards, and I didn't get the best entry. I tried to get in here, but I hesitated a little bit too much. Take profits down there, stop losses above here. And I don't know, man, my other account got a pretty good entry, but I've been playing with this account, so I got a few losses on it, but this got better entry. I honestly got way too big of a contract size by an accident, but I got the better entry. This didn't get the best entry possible, but let's see what happens. I hope it goes in my favor. Even though we got that early terrible entry, price is back coming down. That's great. Hopefully it has a continuation fly down to the original break of structure area of interest. That would be ideal, so I'm just looking for that to be the case, and hopefully that would be the case. So we got a few closes below. Hopefully it just does its thing. So once again, here we are, same situation as yesterday. This is at 150. I might put it at break even because I learned my lesson this time, but hopefully that's not the case today. Hopefully it just shoots down to support, which this is support. Not too worried about this zone, even though prices, oh my God. Here we go again. Here we go again. Hopefully it shoots down to support. So quick overview on what happened. Again, very black and white setup. I just got in way too early for my liking. I should have gotten in a little deeper, but this is why I'm kind of glad I lost that one account, because this is showing me that if I just don't even care at all and I'm just caring about the setup, I'll be just fine. Let me show you. So with the 150K account, this account, I ended up getting in pretty much up here. I got in pretty much up here, which is the entry I should have gotten. With the express accounts, I ended up getting a very bad entry over here, and price went in some deep down draw, which is not ideal because my entry ideally was up here in this range of stop loss up here. That's would have been a perfect trade, but we ended up catching this, which is still fine. I'm glad price didn't want to do anything crazy, but this was basically a black and white setup. But this is what I'm talking about. This is why I'm kind of glad I have this account, because I'm glad I got the 150 account, because these are the numbers I actually like seeing on a consistent basis. But I'm basically willing to take more aggressive trades and willing to lose to win and to take real ideas and be more aggressive with entries. And it's showing me it's paying off. Obviously, this is pretty much a small win, break even, normal win, break even, a loss. And I'm willing to do these things, but if I transfer over here on these accounts, which I'm babying pretty much, I'm basically doing very small trades, which I should not be doing small trades. I should be having, this should have been easily $1,000 day, $1,000 day. This was $1,000 day as well, and this was $1,000 day. I missed this trade. I broke even on this trade, and I broke even on this trade. So yes, we did make basically $500 times that by 5, almost $2 grand for the week. Yes, but ultimately this was realistically almost $3 grand for the week for each account. That's totally different compared to 470. And again, yes, it's showing me with the, the combine versus the express account, it's showing me my aggression comes from trading normal. And then me babying the accounts is definitely limiting my success with making more money. So made $4 grand today on the big account that I have to pass. Combine, $4,600 up on the week. But these accounts is basically just walking upwards, which again, it's not that bad if your balance is at 1,500 and you can withdraw tomorrow, and hopefully I can make a normal day and probably get $2,000 for the balance and then withdraw $1,000 each. Because if you ask me, $4 grand is better than no grand. So I'll see you tomorrow. Today was a successful day regardless, but I'll see you tomorrow. Yo, it is now Thursday. I'm trying to get this going, and it's currently 9:30, and let me show you what the market is currently doing. So currently price is basically breaking through some lows. We're definitely looking for ideally sells at the moment due to the fact of all this momentum going on the downside. As you can see, it's basically not, well, basically it's not there. It is 9:30, and I'm looking for sells ideally. Of course, push pullback continuation on a smaller time frame. As you can see, the closure below the 1 hour, and price pretty much already done that. I kind of already figured that I'm going to be probably using the pink zone. This midpoint is just a midpoint to see where price is going to be at, and ideally I'm probably going to end up trading down here. I definitely need to just start trading around 9:30, because as we know, 9:30 is starting to give out good vibes, because the past few videos I've been editing and journaling all this, 9:30 has not been bad ever since I started to really get to know SPX. So price did end up closing below here, which is great. So I'm looking for a retest sell, and I am in it currently. But I got some interesting news. Obviously I'm in it with the 150K account. Emotions are dead with this account, right? So as soon as that hit 150, I kind of bailed. Don't hate the play, hate the game. Okay, all right, I got my 150. I'm calling it a day. It's my last trading day. I can get paid. I don't care. Hate me all you want. But balance is at 16. I'm gonna withdraw, well, half of that, and I'm gonna call it a day for that. But the 150K account can definitely run. Obviously, that's the 150K account. But don't hate the play, hate the game. I'm gonna do my withdrawal, and I'm gonna let this 150K do its thing. So although my trade did not play out, let me show you what my real trade was, because the way I trade, I want to trade my zones, not what I want to adjust to because of time. And I literally witnessed my trade play out, and it's not even funny. So my original trade actually happened at 9:25. And again, I'm just so uncomfortable with trading anything before 9:30. This was the trade at 9:20. This was the trade at the highest time frame area of interest that I wanted, which was on the screen earlier. And that's just the situation. This was the trade I ended up adjusting to due to the fact that it just time. So I gotta start taking these trades and stop playing, because today, like literally a day like today, my trade idea was a winner, but my position was an L due to the fact that I ended up adjusting rather than taking my actual trade idea. So that is my fault once again. But although today did and did not go as planned, it did, as in we did end up getting 150, and I'm just like, I'm gonna take profit. I'm gonna get paid today, and I'm glad I did that because price literally turned around. But it's unfortunate because the other account, the 150K account, did take a little hit of $1,100. But because we took profit of $3 grand yesterday, or 3,900 yesterday, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, it's totally fine. So honestly, we did get paid today. The withdrawal came out to about 29.80 something. So basically 3 grand, 3K withdrawal. Add that to the withdrawal calendar over there. And again, once I hit 5 figures liquid, then I'll add a liquid counter. It'll be a withdrawal counter, a liquid counter, and we'll just continue to go from there. And I hope and pray today is going to be a lesson where, listen, I had my highest time frame area of interest playing out. I had the 1 hour push pullback continuation and all the confirmations to sell there. I'm going to try to take those trades before 9:30 because I literally watched it live. I'm literally sitting on the computer watching it live. So Monday could have been a full take profit, Tuesday could have been a full take profit, Wednesday could have been a full take profit, today could have been an actual trade, but we didn't take the trade because it was at 9:20. So take the trade, you'll be just all right. I'll see y'all maybe tomorrow.